In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to a hard disk quickly and safely. If you've been looking for an easy way to back up your pictures and videos from Google Photos onto your computer's hard drive or an external hard disk, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. This is a great way to keep an offline copy of your memories, free up cloud space, and make sure your files are safely stored in more than one place. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Google Photos in your browser. You can do this on any computer by going to the Google Photos website and signing in with the Google account that contains the photos and videos you want to save. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you use more than one Google account, because you want to transfer the correct files to your hard disk. Now start selecting the photos and videos you want to download. If you only want one item, click on it to select it. If you want multiple photos, you can hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac to choose several individual items one by one. If you want a range of photos, hold Shift and click to select a larger group at once. This is really useful if you're downloading an entire album or a batch of vacation pictures. Take your time here and make sure everything you want is selected before moving to the next step. After selecting your files, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots menu. This opens up more actions for the selected photos and videos. From the menu, click Download. This tells Google Photos to prepare the files so you can save them onto your hard disk. If you're downloading just one photo or video, it may save immediately depending on your browser settings. If you're downloading multiple files, Google Photos usually creates a zip file. That zip file bundles everything together, which makes it easier to transfer a large number of photos at once. Once the download begins, your browser may ask you where to save the file. If it does, choose your hard disk or external drive as the save location. If your browser does not ask, the file will usually go into your Downloads folder first, and then you can move it manually to your hard disk afterward. If the file saves to your Downloads folder, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Find the downloaded zip file or media file, and then drag it to your hard disk or external drive. If it's a zip file, you may need to extract it first before you can view the photos inside. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All on Windows, or double-click it on Mac to unzip it. After that, you can move the extracted photos and videos into the folder on your hard disk where you want to keep them. If you're backing up a lot of content, I recommend creating a separate folder on your hard disk for organization. For example, you can make folders by year, month, event, or album name. That way, your Google Photos backup stays clean and easy to find later. A little organization now can save you a lot of time in the future. Also, remember that videos can take longer than photos, especially if you're selecting a large batch. So if the transfer takes a while, that's completely normal. Just let the download finish before you disconnect your hard disk or close the browser. Interrupting the process could result in incomplete files. Once the download is complete and your files are safely on your hard disk, I suggest opening a few of them to confirm everything transferred properly. Check a couple of photos and at least one video, if you downloaded videos, to make sure the files are working and nothing was corrupted during the transfer. This quick check gives you peace of mind that your backup is successful. And that's it. You've now transferred Google Photos to a hard disk using a simple manual method that works on most computers. It's an easy and reliable way to back up your memories, protect your files, and keep your important photos stored offline. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.